camera there? What is going on, people of the internet? What are you doing in my helmet? You see what I did there? It's a GoPro. Oof. What I meant to say is GoPro is such a small little camera that we don't appreciate it a lot. So I decided to challenge myself. Why don't I make a video with just GoPro, no cameras, no gimbal, just this tiny little camera, and show you guys what it's capable of. So let's go. Look at this guy. Insane view. Look at that sunrise. Oh, this random dog is just. Hey, doggy. Yeah, just gave him water. I don't know how he got here. It's really insane.
You know, when you do good, it would come back to you.
Hey, buddy, are you tired?
Yeah, he looks tired.
He looks tired and hungry. Enjoying the view here. Absolutely beautiful. This guy. It's first time hiking to this extreme place and he's completely out of it.
No, I'm
no, man. Came here many times, but every time I come here it's just... Can you let me vlog? Bukit Tabor, this is one of my favorite spots in Malaysia. It's like every time when I come here it's just so peaceful, but it comes with its risk and danger, which, you know. Yeah, but never mind. I'm professional, so, you know, if you're not professional, I'm just kidding. That guy. Come on! I almost lost my balance here. Don't throw that bottle. Put it back in my bag. The best thing about this place is you get to see the amazing view of the city, and on the other side you can see the. Look at this. 1 hour of hiking and yeah, here we are. The sun is getting harsh now. It's about 9 a.m. ish kinda. I used all my water and gave it to the dog because he was really thirsty. Look at this dude. See you around, buddy. If you lose your balance here, you're done. Whoa. Alright, I'm out here in the mountains. It's almost golden hour now. It's really beautiful. Just ride my bike up here, and riding to here is always beautiful. Listening to music, the roads are just beautiful. There are farmers working over there. It's really beautiful out here. This is why I love Malaysia. You just go outside the city and make yourself lost, and you'll come across this beautiful landscape, and everywhere is beauty. It is surrounded by beauty, mountains. There are people staring at me. I decided to come out here, out in the mountains, and what a way to end the day, enjoying the beautiful sunset and this amazing backdrop. Ah,
would you look at that sunset? Would you look at it? Would you just look at it? Just look at that sunset. Just look at it. Would you just look at it? Just look at it.
Would you look at that sunset? Would you look at that?
I'm considering to go in this field right here. I hope there are no dogs. It looks really cool. We just want to go in there and yeah, take some photos. I have a feeling. Yo! What's up? So basically that guy was worried if I was lost. Are you lost? Boy, I'm not lost. I want to get lost. But now the sun is gone and it's getting cloudy. But yeah, I still want to go in there. Alright, so before it gets dark, I'm gonna go grab some local food and whoops. And yeah, what a day, from top of a mountain to riding on these beautiful roads and into the mountains. And yo boss! Yo boss! Yo boss! Yo! Can I have a ride? Oh shit! Man, I wish I had a bicycle. God damn, lucky. I miss riding bicycle. Wow, it's about to rain. I hear thunder. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm really active over there. Smash the subscribe button. Actually, don't smash it, just hit it gently. I don't promote vandalism. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a good day. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.